everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today it is VIP day. I don't know why I just said it is. I don't talk like that. It is VIP box day from Sparkle Supplies UK. I clearly can't multitask because all I'm doing is putting the bag open and I can't talk. But anyway, yeah, it's VIP day, so I just thought I'd show you what is in this month's box, like I do every single month. So it is the July VIP box, of course. Horrible, my nails look on camera, like they don't look like this at all. They're really, that's what they look like, bright red, but they look really dark on camera for some reason. Let's just zoom in a bit. So yeah, it's the VIP box for July this month. I can't believe I'm saying that, to be honest, because it just doesn't feel like it should be that late in the year already. Everyone else is 2023, just going really, really quick. So here is the little slip of paper that shows you what is in this box, how much it would be individually. The total value would be £13.61, but you can buy the box for £12.99 and you can even get 15% further off with my discount code that is in the description box. And all the products in this box are not sold until the 7th of September. So let's show you what we've got. We've got a glitter. This is called the 31st, which obviously is in relation to the 31st of October, very clearly, because it's very Halloween inspired. Absolutely stunning. And then, oh, I love that, I'll show you that in a sec. And then I've got 3 little pots here. Try and get into them. So we've got this pot here, which is called Ultimate. And it looks like this. It's really hard to explain what this is. It's very different. They're just like tiny hexes. Let's pop them in the lid. But they're like, almost like sequin material. I hope that makes sense. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Love those. Very, very different. And then we've got Cruella hoops, which, believe it or not, are circles and hoops. So we've got little dots. And the hoops as well in black and white. Tried to catch as many as I could with the pot. There we go. And then we've got Goddess Mylar. I love Mylar, but I never really use it, to be honest. But look how stunning that is. I need to start using them more because I've got so many different colours of it. I just don't ever use it. So this is Goddess. Let's just take a little bit out so you can see what it looks like. Stunning. What a beautiful colour. And then we've got these, which are very different. These are gold pearls. Look, they're called AU pearls. Is that because of AU vodka? Because it's gold? I don't know. If it is, great. If not, then that's embarrassing. But never mind. That's why I'm going to say they're called that anyway. Lorraine, please clarify. So, yeah, there's some little pearls. Very, very cute. How many you get in there? There's literally loads. Like, it'll take you forever to go through them, even if you use them all day, every day. And then last but not least, which is what I've just said I absolutely love, is this foil. Look how stunning that is. It's marble. So we've got black, marble, grey and pink with a gold outline. How absolutely beautiful is that? So yeah, I hope you like the look of everything in this box. And obviously if you do, then make sure to purchase one for yourself. You get all the products earlier than they actually go on sale, as I've just said, on the 7th of September. And if you were to buy all this stuff individually, it would cost you more than this altogether would anyway. But I highly recommend having the VIP boxes every month because it's lovely just getting something to your door, something different every month where you don't know what you're going to get, and it's all very exciting to open it every time they come. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye!